Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. Here is a commercial CCTV installation at Mrs B's luxury dog groomers and daycare centre in Headingley. We installed an IP CCTV system throughout the property to keep the dogs safe and secure during their stay. You can see all the cameras produce a stunning wide-angle picture. The system is set to record every second at a very high frame rate. Our CCTV engineers did a great job hiding all the cable from view to achieve a really neat and tidy installation. The cameras can also produce a stunning colour picture at night time. This helps with the identification of people and vehicles when playing back the footage. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.